Hello everyone, welcome to Accent Mandarin. In this lesson, we will learn how to tell time in Mandarin Chinese using the structure of 点, 分. Here, X represents the hour. It can range from 1点 for 1 o'clock to 12点 for 12 o'clock. And Y represents the minute. It ranges from 1分 for 1 minute to 59分 for 59 minutes. Please know that when Y is 0, you can simply omit 分 and just say 点. So let's look at some examples. The first example is 5点 5 o'clock. 8点15分 8 and 15. 11点45分 11:45. 3点半 3点半 半 means half. 3点半 3:30. You can also use vocabulary to describe different parts of the day. For example, 早上 morning, 下午 afternoon, 晚上 evening or night. You can add these vocabulary words before the time to give some context. For example, you can say 早上7点 早上7点 7 o'clock in the morning. 下午3点下午3点 3 o'clock in afternoon. 晚上8点半晚上8点半 8:30 at night. Okay, let's do some practice. Practice 1. Translate the following times into Mandarin Chinese. So how to say these times in Mandarin Chinese? Practice 2. Write a sentence in Mandarin Chinese to describe the following. It's 7 in the evening. How to say that? Practice 3. Translate the following sentence into Mandarin Chinese. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. every day. Okay, in this lesson, we have learned how to tell time in Mandarin Chinese. Use the structure of 点 分. Do you like it? See you next time.